Okay guys, this one is definitely out of left field. This song that I'm going to play, it's a very somatic, very stompy kind of African type style of dance. But you know what? If you do these kinds of things and you're open to expanding your mind to music and dance and different genres and different styles, and it will make you a better, more powerful, more expressive dancer. Okay, so haven't danced to this before, but I'm just gonna go for it, and whatever comes out, and you're gonna see it here. Okay, so here we go. So, I've heard music like that before, and there was a part where it was like trance. I was like, oh, I was dying to shuffle. But for the purpose of this lesson and instruction, again, I'm trying to show you guys how to move your body in different ways. Just going based off what you feel. What I was just doing right there was zero structure. Yes, structure in a sense that you've been doing this for a while, but I was just feeling the music, and if it was telling me to go that way, I'd be like ba 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 ba. Okay? So that's what I mean. And you don't need to know how to dance. You guys already have it inside you. You already know how to dance. You just gotta move your body to the music in whatever way that you feel. Once you catch that beat, and you catch that rhythm, and you catch that groove, go with it. Go with it and expand upon it and see what happens. And then go and do a shuffle or whatever. Okay? I think we're gonna continue on because I want to show you guys what it's like, especially for you beginners, to who don't have much structure, who maybe just know how to do the T-step, the running man, maybe kick, spin, slides, glides, and that's it. And that's great. If you know how to do that, great. You know how to do the traditional Melbourne shuffle. But if you want to become an amazing, expressive Melbourne shuffle dancer, or just a dancer in general, because you can apply this to anything you learn, any dance style, that you're doing currently or learning, you will learn to just let go and not care. You'll just learn to dance to the music. It doesn't matter how good you are, how good you think you're not. You're going to unlock that hidden potential that is already inside you. Kind of like Gohan from Dragon Ball Z. Okay? But, I'm telling you guys, give this a shot. Look up a somatic dance playlist. Maybe I'll make one myself. It doesn't have to be any African type style beats if you're not comfortable with that yet, but you might be someday. It could be house music, it could be R&B, hip hop, contemporary, maybe it's intuitive dance, maybe it's lyrical, maybe it's, piano, jazz, clarinet, whatever. That's the beautiful thing, is we have everything inside of us already. You just have to play what you like to listen to. And just practice moving. No structure, just practice moving. Okay? And I think that's the thing, is we get so bent out of shape and like, man, I gotta practice, doing my shoulder rolls and, doing my arm points, and it's like, yeah, you do, but that's the framework, that's the foundation. But you also have to practice having fun while doing those shoulder rolls and those points. Right? So that's how you can make your training a lot funner or more fun, is by applying somatic type style dance or movement, somatic movement, to your shuffling. Okay? This is why I've been so intrigued by somatic movement and just moving freely. Since I started going down the rabbit hole and creating Series 8 in this new year. Because it's making even me, a better dancer, a better shuffler. And it feels good because I'm like, wow, I wish I knew this, 5 years ago. But this is why we're doing this, okay? This is why I'm telling you guys now and sharing it with the world, because I think the more of us that start dancing, it's gonna cure a lot of people. It's gonna cure a lot of sadness, a lot of depression. It's gonna make you the dancer that maybe you've always wanted to be. Or maybe in private, maybe not in public, maybe at a rave, or at a festival, or not. You know what I'm saying? So it's a really beautiful thing that we're getting into here. We are unpacking the very fiber of what makes you, you, by moving to whatever music it is that you like, moving to it in a free manner, free of judgment. Free of anyone's judgment or looking at you, and then you apply that with some structure, like I keep saying, to your actual dancing, and you will look like a pro, I promise you. So, enough yapping. Let's get to the next song for like somatic movement, and let's see what comes out. Let's keep pushing the envelope, okay?